Hello students, today I will be starting with the C part of question number 2. Now in the C part it is said that Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. Means the runs Rahul made, Sachin scored twice of Rahul, means double of Rahul. Okay, so together their runs fell too short of a double century. Century means 100 runs and double century means 200 runs. And together their run fell too short means too less than double century. We will have to find that how many runs did each one score. Okay, so let us consider. It is said that Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. Means whatever runs Rahul made, Sachin made double of that. So we will consider Rahul's score at first. Okay, so let Rahul's score be X. So Sachin's score will be twice as Rahul made. So that twice means 2 times of the score Rahul made. So Sachin's score is 2x. Now it is said that together their runs fell too short of a double century. So according to the question, Rahul's score and Sachin's score, when we will put together, it will be equal to too short of a double century. Means double century means 200 runs and too short means 2 less than 200. So it's 198. Okay, so x plus 2x is equals to 198. So x plus 2x is 3x is equals to 198. So what will be the value of x? It's 198 divided by 3. So 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 18. So the value of x is 66. Now the question was how many runs did each one score. Now see, Rahul's score we have considered as x. So therefore Rahul's score is 66, or Rahul and Sachin's score. See, Sachin's score we have considered as 2x. So 2x means 2 is multiplied by x, which is 66. So 2 multiplied by 66. 6 2s are 12. 1 carry 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So Rahul's score is 66 and Sachin's score is 132. Okay. So this was part number C. Now coming to next question. Now coming to question number 3. Solve the following. In the first part we have Irfan says that he has 7 marbles, more than 5 times the marble Parmeet has. Now it is said that whatever be the number of marble Parmeet has, Irfan has got 5 times the marble Parmeet has. And then it is said that 7 marbles more. Okay, and Irfan has 37 marbles. We will have to find that how many marbles does Parmeet have. So let us consider the number of marble Parmeet has be x. Okay, now it is said that Irfan has got 5 times the marble Parmeet has. Now Parmeet has x number of marbles and Irfan says that he has got 5 times the marble Parmeet has. 5 times means 5 is multiplied by s. So according to the question, 5x, x is the number of marbles Parmeet has, and Irfan has got 5 times the marble Parmeet has. So it's 5x. And it is said that 7 marbles more. More means plus 7. So this is the number of marbles Irfan has. And it is said that Irfan has 37 marbles. So this will be equal to 37 because this is the marble Irfan has, and Irfan has got how many marbles, that is also given in the question. So this 5x plus 7 will be equal to 37. Now we will solve this to get the value of x. Okay. So 5x will remain same on the left hand side and 37 will remain same on the right hand side. We'll just transpose 7 on the right hand side. So plus 7 will be minus 7. So 5x is equals to 37 minus 7 is 30. So what will be the value of x? Because here 5 is multiplied by x. So the value of x will be 30 divided by 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30. So x value of x is 6. Now here we have considered the number of marble Parmeet has Vx. So that means how many marbles Parmeet has? It's 6. So we'll write Parmeet has 6 marbles. Okay.